Hello, welcome back. We're doing more work here. Feeling good. It's hot, tired, dying inside.
Yeah.
But we got some good things on the list today. We're going to try and get the frame to where it's back on its axles and it can roll around. That's like the big goal. So in order to do that, finish putting the rear axle back together. Hasn't changed since you see the last. And then break down the front axle, paint it, put everything back together, put it on the truck.
Sounds easy.
Easy enough.
Take all day.
It will take all day. And by the end of it, maybe it'll be nighttime and the shop will be a disaster again.
Yes. We will.
Yes. I think those are the big things to do. Just more grinding.
Yeah.
More grinding, more painting, more dying.
If we get to it, we're gonna do the TPA's transition. And,
Oh, yes. Get the whole drive
get
one.
that.
Truck shop.
All
Truck
try to do
train.
it. But yeah.
Yes. Those are the big ones on the list.
Cool beans.
Yeah. Kind of size. Airbrush.
That'd be it.
I need one. Why?
Oh, let's see it.
It does hurt. So yeah, let's keep going.
Next week.
Love you.
This is us breaking down the axles, getting it ready for paint. We gotta take all the accessories off of it and then prep these things down to bare metal so that we can get some color on it.
And I'm grinding, and I'm grinding, still I'm grinding, cause I'm grinding.
That song sucks. Yeah, oh yeah, oh. Ooh. Oh, ooh. That's I'm sorry. You think we got new stuff? We get all new tie rods. Pretty sure I made something for this. Hey, gotta cool off. It's so hot.
1 week later.
That's another Saturday. It's continuing Saturday.
Continuing Saturday. Yeah, we didn't put an episode out.
Yeah.
We were, just doing some grinding last time. It was pretty
Boring.
fucking boring. Yeah, but not so much today. We got some interesting things going on on the other side. I'll show you here.
Everything. So we got everything painted. Our axles.
There we go, Gimbal.
We got our axles painted. The HUD. Stuff like that.
I'm just gonna do this.
So that's what we're working on today. We got new ball joints and stuff we got to put in these. And then all the bushings and the leaf springs got to go in. Fit the calipers up. And then hopefully we can get these axles under the frame today. Don't fall. So that's our goal for the day.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting one. We're
Yeah.
getting there. Skylar is feeling sicky.
Sicky poo.
Yeah, and I gave myself a hangover again. So
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I'm sick too, but it's self-induced.
We'll, probably have to update you guys as we go along.
Let's get out of the way of the goddamn fucking thingy. Yo, we've been working here again. As always, we start every fucking clip the same. We've been working. Fuck. It is true.
We've had a lot of fucks.
We did. We'll cut all this out. We're gonna go from here. This will be us starting. Hello, everybody. I'm going to curse less now.
Hi, I'm Skylar, and I'm working on my language.
He's also sick. Listen to him speak now. He's got low energy.
Yes.
I've got to have more energy for both of us. But it's hard. Gimbal, track me. Okay. Skylar's greasing up his shaft right now. Doing a good job. We got all these bad boys painted. Look, they're looking good.
Yeah, we got our new
Nice.
ball joints in. We had to go buy a ball joint press.
Yeah. Stop, Ghost. The Ghost is back.
So anyways,
Got rid of him.
ball joint presses from O'Reilly's are $160. And you need them.
They're not messing around.
C clamps don't work.
Those are
so,
some hard boys.
Yeah, we got them in though. Get a shot.
Of what?
The ball joint.
No, man.
And
Terms.
look at that.
Cool.
We decided not to paint the inner shaft. The fusion
Yeah,
in
it's
there.
probably do more harm than good.
Yeah, just let it just do. They're fine. They're not rusty. They're just a little dirty. We've been grinding so much that we kind of
over it.
sad. So yeah. But yeah, you got this one going. We put our stuff up there. We made a little hanging thing to paint all of our stuff. We hung the ladder. For the
Leave it in the comments if that's sketchy or not.
It's not that sketchy.
Well, it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Fucking out. Yeah, it's going, old boy. Oh,
Camera.
fuck yeah, dude. Hey everybody, we got something to show you. It's pretty cool, and it's not my ugly face that's dirty. Bam! Look at
Check it
that. She's back on her wheels again.
He rolls a little bit.
Yeah. Check it out. We have been busting our asses.
Don't mind the bolts. They're just temporary for mock-up.
Yeah, we had to see how it looked.
Yeah.
We'll of course have to take it back off, and we're gonna replace all the hardware. If we're gonna go this far with it, we don't want to reuse any
Exactly.
rusty bolts and everything we can.
That's the only thing to do. So now we gotta drop the brake lines in, and then the motor can go in.
Motor.
The
And then
motor.
more power, baby.
And we got a new gas tank we gotta hang in here, and then engine trans, T-case. You know, make a little sandwich out of that
That's
stuff,
fine.
and we're gonna be having a pretty cool little truck.
Yeah, a little truck. A little truck. Just about
So we
everything.
got
All
all
those
our
things.
new front end parts. Get in here. Get in here. Show them.
Show them the front ends. I'm trying to show them your body. Check that out.
So yeah, we got a new drag link in the steering arm, new stabilizer. We got all new bushings in our sway bars.
Of course, we reused our axles, but we just cleaned them up and
Yep.
painted them. Got rid of the rust.
Rebuilt the inside, new wheel bearings and stuff.
Yeah, we
so.
found out the center link we bought, or actually that's a really long ass tie rod is what we bought. It's the wrong one for the truck, so we have to order a new one before we can install that. So the
Yep.
steering's not entirely done, but that'll take us, I don't know, like
No time at all,
5
yeah.
seconds. Yeah. Feeling a lot better though. We were both getting to the point where we were getting a little irritated being at the shop right now.
Yeah.
And then we have ourselves a nice boost. This is what we do it for, you know, that hit of dopamine. That way I don't have to do drugs. Just work on cars. Just as expensive though. Oh, yeah, you want to show them?
No, I was covering it up.
It should be. You and I are going to have a hard time being
Gimbal.
friends.
Check it out, dude. We
We
scratched
ouched
it.
it
We're
up.
sorry,
That
guys.
doesn't pick it up very well. You can't even see on camera.
It's right there.
Yeah, she's a
So,
sorry girl. It
Yeah, we
sucks.
scratched it a little bit.
We're gonna
It
have
is
to
what
cover
it
that.
is.
So we
It's a
can.
truck after all.
Yeah, we just want to stop it from rusting, so we'll have to do something about it. But
Yeah.
I'm sure that it's going to be scratched more as we put things back together.
Probably why a lot of people don't use auto body paint.
Yeah, this is why, as you do things, you learn lessons. You know, we thought it'd be a cool idea, and it is a cool idea. Look how badass it looks. It looks so good. Whenever,
But then again, we're not really building this to be like a truck. You know what I mean? It's just a collector, fun haver, if you will.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
It's
exactly.
not gonna go. I mean, you could take it out off road if you want,
who knows?
you
Whoever-
know, but it's really just a show truck to park in your garage. You know, nothing that they would go through would be scratching it. So
Ideally.
yeah, ideally.
Otherwise, we'll go to their house and scratch them. Yeah,
Probably not.
looking
That's
looking
not-
pretty good though. It feels good to make some actual progress.
Yeah, it's good.
Cool. Like check we got our nice new red bushings in there. Yeah, and I feel like I feel a lot better about this color with the black, like the contrast with the black.
Yeah.
It actually doesn't look bad, and it almost makes me feel better about possibly going with this color on the body and using black
What was
accents.
that gray color we were talking about?
The gray color?
Yeah, that dark gray.
I don't remember.
Machinery gray.
Yeah, that would
It's
also
like a
be cool.
matte gloss machinery gray. We were thinking about doing that, but
Or maybe we can do that and maybe keep some green accents
Yeah.
around, you know, like,
maybe two-tone it.
yeah.
That'd be sick.
Yeah, it depends on how much work we want to
I
get
don't know.
into
We
it.
had a pretty solid plan whenever we started working on this truck for what color we wanted it, what we were going to do. And then we sprayed it with the color that we bought, and this was the wrong color. I think that we were supposed to use like a black primer to get the color we were after or something. But this is like 40 shades too blue. So
Yeah, it's a little
Yeah.
bit different than we
we were
thought.
kind of hoping for more of like a matte forest green color. But
Yeah, we have cried to them about our color choice
yeah.
a couple times. No one cares. They say, "Oh wow, is it hard to make by
All
building
50
trucks?" Yeah, all 50
So,
people.
Yeah.
Up to 50 now.
But
Yeah,
quick update, we're gonna I think throw our brake lines in. We talked about.
yeah. I think we are
Probably
going to
hang
try and
the old
get the.
fuel tank up in there. And then
That's a tall order.
if we're feeling up to it, set the motor in. So I don't know. We'll see.
The only thing that kind of makes me sad about the motor is we still have to wrap the other exhaust. We'll get one
You
side.
guys want to see the exhaust real quick?
I think we showed him earlier. But, you know, we can... Let's
go over to the motor.
Oh,
The
yeah.
motor.
Oh, yeah, we didn't mock it up, though. Let's mock it up. Machiavellian mock up. Check this out. Oh, that lighting is got a bosh.
Right.
Check that out, though.
Looking pretty sweet.
Oh my god. I'm so looking forward to it. I'm buzzed. I have so much fiberglass in my body right now.
Yeah, pretty good time.
All right, well, gimbal just died. Hello. So long, everybody. Lights out. I
I'm
don't
gonna charge gimbal, I guess.
gimbal, stop it. Stop.
What up, guys?
It's
Not
your
what up.
boys.
It's actually out, I guess. I don't know.
Whoa, gimbal.
Anyways, we're wrapping up at the shop today. We're done.
Dunzo.
I'm
And look at that,
feeling-
there's still daylight outside, too.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
I'm feeling a little under the weather. Seth said he wants to go play Dungeons and Dragons.
Don't tell him that.
So,
No.
yeah. So we're done. We're done for the day. We feel like we made good progress. This is going to be a video, I think. Yeah, because they're going to see the axles get painted, assembled, and the video, and all that stuff. So
Yeah, we didn't upload today, but hey, gimbal, we're just trying to do an outro right now.
our video is going to be about 2 days late. We're sorry. So, there's
Yeah.
50 of you guys that actually care.
Fucking probably just one of us that actually
I
get
know.
it. Mom.
Right. Hey, Mom.
Hey, gimbal, let's
my
just
mom.
let us shoot this outro so
So,
we can go home.
Yep. Anyways, we
Whoa.
got our axle hung under. Where the leaf springs are, we still got to get some good
Yeah.
bolts for that. These are kind of gross old ones. We just hung it
The
up.
gimbal
for
is so
mock-up,
mad. Oh my goodness. He does not want us to go home.
So
Check it
Yeah.
out though. We got our we're gonna have to take all this stuff off
like,
again and
these bolts,
reset our
bam,
bolts.
Bam, bam,
Yeah,
you know.
because I mean, as we're finding out, the more stuff that we go and clean up and fix,
the
then
worse like a dirty bolt looks.
exactly.
Yeah.
You know, like I was putting the rear leafs on today. And I'm like, okay, cool. I'll just put the leafs on. And I go to knock them up, and then the plates for the U-bolts are dirty and rusty.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh shit, I gotta clean those. So I do that, and then I'm like, okay. And then I put our blocks in, and those are also dirty and rusty. And I'm like, those also need to be done. Hey, gimbal.
So
Just
we got
stop.
our shocks mounted up in the back there for sure. All the hardware is good on this one. So they were working pretty good. It wasn't a direct fit, but at full droop, they still have about an inch of travel. So I think that's right on the money.
Yeah,
Maybe
we should
much
be
better than that.
rocking about 6-inch lift, dude.
Yeah, I think it's about a 6-inch lift. So it's kind of a homemade lift, you know. We're doing this on a budget, so
I mean, yeah, a budget.
yeah, a budget.
Once we sell this thing, maybe we will have a bigger budget to do something cooler with.
Something cool to be done. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'd like to get some weird car.
I know.
Like a freaking Viper or something, like a wrecked Viper off Copart.
Maybe one day
Yeah,
we'll keep
okay.
doing it.
So,
Yeah, so
yeah, this is it.
pretty good spot.
I think we're stoked. I'm pretty stoked. I know Seth is.
Oh yeah, we've been talking the last couple of days at the shop have literally been a grind on our souls and our minds and our body.
Well, we work all week, and then we come here and we do like what the axles were. It's just not fun work, man.
Yeah.
You know, it's hot. It's been like average of 105 out, so
Oh
it's
yeah.
been hard to muscle up the motivation to come out here. But
Yeah, but now
We're
that we're
doing it,
here,
so,
it's
yeah.
like now we're also going to try and get the engine in the frame tonight. Oh, we ran out of time. I didn't realize it was
yeah,
already
we don't
7,
want to
but
rush things either.
yeah, we got some stuff to do before we can really
Got to
put it
fix
in there.
the engine mount cross member up and all that stuff that goes in there. So we don't want to rush it too much. So
Yeah,
we
exactly.
need hardware for everything. So there's no sense in doing it anywho. So
Yep, but you know, gimbal's starting to screw us. It's back on its wheels. We actually can push it back and forth.
yep, and she rolls real good.
Yep.
So
Also, because there's no
all those new
Euro
wheel
in
bearings
there.
and everything, the brakes are
Yeah.
adjusted. You know, everything's been packed and redone. So
I'm so excited
it's
to drive
crazy.
this thing for the first time.
It's gonna be so nice, dude.
We thought it was hard to get rid of it the first time, so much so we never actually sold it. It's gonna be really hard to sell it now.
We actually never even posted it for sale.
Didn't even get close. I didn't want to sell it. Once we got done with it, I was like, I love it too much. I want to keep it, and then I just let it sit. Never did anything, but I'm glad we're doing it now. Things all work out the way they're supposed to because we wouldn't have had the tools, the equipment, the time, the money to do it the correct way before,
Exactly.
and now we do. And it's been
Yeah.
a grind, but it's starting to come. This is the part that's fun and that's
I
enjoyable.
enjoy this part the most, where you actually get to see an accomplishment.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly. That's like the rewarding part of it.
Yeah.
The not so great part of it now is that everything's really nice. So when you try to put things back together, you're usually not worried about scratching your frame when you're putting your leaves back on.
I will say we're still learning on that aspect of building something nice, because
Yeah.
a lot of guys are like, you know, they'll build something and then they won't paint it or anything, so everything's already done, been built and mocked up,
Mhm.
and then they go off and do it again, you know, and just finalize everything. So they technically wind up building it twice,
Yeah.
but we're not doing that. So
Yeah.
I mean, in a way we are, like, we're going to wind up dropping the axles back out, putting the hardware in it that we need and stuff, but
Yep.
really we're kind of trying to be as thorough and do it one time. So.
Well, Gimbal says it's time to go home. He's heading out of the day early. Forgot to shut off and screw our kite up.
All right, guys.
Cool.
Well, we're stoked that we got this far. You know, lots of more fun stuff that's going to go on this thing here soon. All the little, you know, accessories. So I think with that, next video, and SPB out.